Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You sign into account. Microsoft. Com with your Microsoft account and confirm two-factor authentication if prompted. This secures the session. Once signed in, make sure you use a desktop browser because the full online safety controls appear there. Then navigate directly to the Family or Privacy section in the left menu to begin. You do this now so that the controls you change apply to the right profile and device. This avoids accidental changes to another account or child profile. You pick the specific family member or child profile and open their online safety settings. This targets filters properly. Next, adjust content filters for web and apps, set screen time schedules, and enforce purchase limits so spending is controlled. Make sure to enable activity reporting to receive weekly summaries and toggle web and app restrictions to block inappropriate content. By changing these choices now, you balance protection with access and reduce the need for repeated emergency interventions later. You save all changes and then test them on the child's device to confirm filters and time limits behave as expected. This validates the configuration. Make sure the family organizer's email is current and notification preferences are set so you get alerts. If the new rules don't apply, clear the browser cache, sign out and back in, or reapply settings from another browser. Sometimes propagation delays occur. If problems persist, remove and re-add the child profile and repeat the setup to reset policies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.